Hello guys, guess who's back? Another day, another banger, 4.7k 50 on the day. Took this again on our alpha funded. Fucking hell, let's go. Let me take you guys through my trade. Super easy traders model. So guys, some of the profits and now cover the complete trade. It's literally again the same concept that happens every single day. Every recap, every trade recap that I made is literally the exact same concepts as I am again gonna explain to you today. So first of all, today I did not really have a certain bias. We are coming into the market with we are coming into the markets with a lot of super low resistance liquidity. So we build up a lot of lows here on the 1 hour time frame from this night during Asia. We then had a lot of liquidity laying around here, so there were a lot of reasons to be bearish, but just because we were pushing yesterday super hard, I thought maybe we just continue to push and we could go up. But as you can see, market opened and the market started completely nuking. So after market open, I of course turned bearish. And what do I need when I take shorts? I need an SMT, I need an inversion, or I need a CISE. Today we literally got all three, so the traders model was completed. So let me take you guys through the SMT. As you can see right here, this is the candle from 1 p.m. This is the candle from 4 p.m. and on Nasdaq it breaks, on S&P it doesn't. The SMT is super easy, guys. One pair has to break a high, the other pair does not have to break the high, and after that you can look for sells. Next thing I need is an inversion, and like I said, maybe a CISE. So let's go into replay mode from when we got our SMT. So as you can see, this is the high. I marked it out with a red line. Let's wait. Here we go. This is market open. Market open, we broke it. We have an SMT. What do I need? I need an inversion or maybe the CISE. I mark out my 1 minute inversion, which is right here. I mark out my fair value gap, which I want to see being inversed. Fair value gap is right here. What do we see? We did not inverse it yet. Okay, this is not an entry. We go through it, but we did not inverse it. Doesn't matter. I will wait for it to be in first, and then because I did not really like how we chopped around, I'll still waited for the CISD to be formed. So this was my CISD level. It is a low before we created the last high. Again, this is because we were chopping around so much. So I decided, okay, I do not really like the chop. I think I want more confirmations than just the fair value gap. So I went for the CISD with it. I entered exactly right here, and this is how the trade played out. So again, I went for a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. For me, it works the best. Okay, I've been getting hate on TikTok for only going for a 1-to-1, but I swear to God, I have like a 90% win rate. Let me show you guys the results of this week with my 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio. So this is it. There are 7 trades in here. 2 of them were a loss, so I think it's going fantastic. What's that? Let's say 70% win rate. I mean, I'll take it for the month already. We're up good this week, so enjoying life at the moment. But again, this is it. My target was around, I think it was mixed with London low, so I was pretty sure London low would be taken out, especially after we started dropping. So that was really nice to see how it also smacked to it. This was not the best PA, but then these last candles into the take profit was just fantastic. Alright, that's it. SMT inversion CISD. Again, traders model completed. And then also, guys, maybe let me also go over the trade from this morning that a lot of my students took. So as you can see, a lot of the students took it. I will also explain why we did not take it. So let me first of all look for the SMT. It was a previous hour SMT, also perfect with the traders model. Let me see what time it was. 10:50. Alright, so we had an SMT right here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the hourly candle. We broke it on S&P, we did not break it on the Nasdaq. Super simple. If we break the candle on S&P, we have an hourly SMT. Let me tell you guys exactly why I decided to not take it. Is it this one? Yes. So this was the SMT that we had. Looked something. Yes, so this was the SMT. S&P broke below that low. We had a perfect inversion, so bro, the entry, everything was perfect. There is just one thing I did not like about this setup. So we would have gotten our entry, but what happened? We came immediately into a 5-minute gap, and we also had 5-minute gaps above, which normally is good to have above, but not right here. Okay, this one was the reason we decided to not enter. Price was also very bearish. As you can see, these candles were super bearish. So we have journaled this a lot of times, and we thought, yeah, maybe we took a loss like this last week just because price respected this 5-minute fair gap, so that's why we did not decide to enter. However, our students did, and they ended up hitting a W. As you can see, 1-to-1 risk reward ratio after the CRZ closed. Bam, 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 bam. Where is the 1-to-1? And let's see, boom. So this was their trade. Super great to see some of my members took it. We, however, try to filter out as much as we can because we trade on high capital. And you know, it's going great, so we don't really need all the wins we can get. This was the trade recap. Thank you guys for watching and see you next week.